Microsoft has shocked the tech world with its recent layoffs, and this is not just another routine cutback. Today, we are unpacking the story behind Microsoft's decision and what it would mean for and the industry. Also, most importantly, what lessons you can take away from it. 6,000 employees laid off, which is almost 3% of its global workforce. This includes software engineers, product managers, and even HR directors. But here's the twist, this is not due to the shortage of money or even AI coming up. It's all because of a strategy. 2,000 people in Washington state alone were laid off. And it includes people of all positions, from software engineers to product managers, and even the leadership like AI director. The thing is, the company is planning to spend around $80 billion on AI infrastructure this fiscal year. But all of this investment comes with a trade-off. And this would also mean that other companies like Meta are going to do a similar thing of downsizing. Since 2022, tech industry has seen over 70,000 layoffs. Companies are recalibrating the structure that they need to create those products and the services for their customers. The pandemic era sanctions were definitely not sustainable, and here we are seeing the effects today. For the tech industry, what does it mean and how does this move things around? The first is the talent shakeup. We'll see a migration of people, all types of professionals moving from bigger companies to smaller ones, where innovation is happening at a faster pace and teams are more agile and adaptable. Then you'll see increased focus on the roles that are towards the emerging trends. Likely to be renewed emphasis on strategic roles that directly contribute to AI, cloud computing, and cybersecurity. Upskilling and reskilling has become even more important than ever. Cost cutting as a business model. With the giants tightening their belts, efficiency and automation will likely shape the hiring and the structure of the future company. And for you, what does it all mean? Number one, invest in the future-proof skills. Focus on critical digital competencies like AI, data readiness, data literacy, and cybersecurity. Stay agile. In a volatile environment, you cannot just be focused on one skill which could vanish tomorrow. Embrace continual learning and make sure you are staying relevant. Number three, network and innovate. Try to see what other leaders are doing ahead of what actually happens. A lot of the innovators already saw this coming, and maybe you did not. So make sure that you are engaged in communities where these discussions are happening actively and you know what to invest in and what not to. Microsoft's layoffs are a wake-up call, not just about job security but about what's happening to the industry as well. Stay adaptable and keep building yourself for the